Welcome to SpeechText, your trusted partner for all legal transcription needs. We offer AI-powered services designed to meet the unique demands of legal professionals. SpeechText automates the process of transcribing court hearings, legal proceedings, and case records, saving you time and effort. Let's walk through the simple steps to get your legal audio transcribed. Upload audio or video files from your device. Our platform supports various legal file formats, including TRM files. Select Legal as your industry domain to ensure accurate transcription tailored to legal terminology and contexts. Our AI understands the nuances of legal language. Click Transcribe, and your court transcripts will be ready within minutes. You can then download or access them in various text formats, including converting TRM files to PDF. Discover the powerful features that make SpeechText the ideal solution for legal professionals. Achieve up to 98% transcription accuracy with AI optimized for legal transcription. Our industry-oriented AI understands and processes complex legal terms, ensuring your transcripts are consistently accurate. Rest assured, your data is secure. SpeechText.AI is fully compliant with GDPR standards, guaranteeing data privacy and confidentiality. We understand the importance of TRM files in legal proceedings. SpeechText provides advanced capabilities for these files. Transcribe your TRM audio files and easily export them into shareable PDF formats, streamlining your workflow and document management. Our web-based TRM transcription software allows you to access and manage your legal transcriptions anytime, anywhere, providing ultimate flexibility. SpeechText offers significant benefits for both courts and individual legal professionals. SpeechText ensures speed, accuracy, and confidentiality for all your legal transcription needs. Contact us for a free trial today.